Okay, today is an extra special day. One, because it was the last day of school, and two, my Sony ZV-1 is here. It's not even my camera. It is, however, the Rode Video Mic NTG. All right, let's try this again. Come on, Sony ZV-1. Let's get into this baby right here. I can already tell that this thing is so tiny.
That's what she said.
This is that little dead cat that it comes with. Let's have a look at this. Also comes with a USB charging cable, which I have a million of. What else? Literally, I think that's it. Oh, there's something else in the box. Battery. And we have, of course, oh my god, that's small.
That's what she said.
Of course, we have the camera itself. Alright, my first vlog ever with this camera. So far the eye autofocus is amazing. Hopefully this internal audio is good as well. I was gonna do the outro on my Canon EOS RP, but then I was like, hey, I got this new vlog camera and I wanna check out the quality. So we're at 24 frames per second, shooting in 1080p at 50 megabits per second. That's pretty much it, guys. If you're interested in the quality of this camera, I'm gonna be doing some reviews in the coming weeks. So please be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you made it this far, you're a real one, and we'll see you in the next one.